How are we doing, everyone? It's Rob at Cambridgeshire Motor Centre. Today we've got another Volkswagen Transporter. It's a 65 plate, done 58,000 miles. Brook Miller conversion. Does have the Paravan space drive system fitted as well. All tested and working. Very tidy van. A couple of little age-related marks here and there, particularly on the front, but it is very, very minor stuff. It is a tidy van overall. Front and rear parking sensors. I'll go into a bit more detail about the hand controls shortly, but just to give you an overall idea of the condition of the vehicle, as you can see, it is in really good nick. I've had these wooden inserts put in so that if you're using it as a drive-from vehicle, there's no danger of the wheelchair slipping down the sides, so really useful thing. These restraints can obviously be moved as well, quite easy to add and remove, and depending how you're using the vehicle, it lends itself to a range of layouts really. Around the back, similar story, very tiny. It does have a separate fob, which then opens up the tailgate. And once that's open, it will then bring out the lift, all in sequence. So this vehicle's been designed for complete independence of the wheelchair user. Doesn't have to be used like this. It's got a range of uses. You can bring it down. This is all done in sequence with the numbers. And then once it reaches the floor, the lip will drop down to allow the wheelchair user into the vehicle. As you would have seen, there's two seats folded up against the sides here, so it is a 3-seater plus wheelchair, so 4 seats in total, but they are neatly out of the way to give plenty of space for the chair to get through. Come around this side of the vehicle, same again, very, very tidy. Twin sliding doors, so a lot of access, and it is a drive from access vehicle, so this driver's seat is removable. That can go either where the driver's seat is currently, or it can come over this side if you're using it as a drive from, or you may even choose to use this as a driver transfer vehicle and simply pull up next to the driver's seat and move over to the seat. You've got a range of uses there. There's a side step on this side which is controlled from this button, so as we push this button, that'll bring out the side step, make it a little bit easier for people to get in and out of the vehicle. And then for those that aren't familiar with the space drive system, I'll just show you how it works. It's all tested and working. And this one is a left side steering, so effectively how this would work, depending how you want us to set it up for you on delivery or on collection, we can arrange this for you. We've got the brake and the accelerator here on this right hand side. We've got our normal controls there, but we have also got the bleeper system, which does basic controls like horn, lights, wipers. In fact, your horn's actually on that red button there. And on this side, we've got the steering converted to a very lightweight disc. Now you can split it, so you could still steer from the steering wheel and use this just as a brake and accelerator as a very simple system, or you might find it more comfortable to use this. It's a little bit lighter. The gears have been put onto the push button system there, and your other basic controls like your ignition and to start the vehicle are on there, parking brake, lights, radio controls, fan, etc. We've got a screen just down there which is the Paravan system control screen, and you'll notice just to the right of that is the button to switch it all on. So if we're using the Paravan system, it's controlled from there. As you would have heard, it starts and runs very, very sweetly. It is direct from Motability, so has a full service history. There is some wear and tear on the interior trims, very normal for drive from wheelchair vehicles, particularly as you've got a little bit of bumping as you come in. Sometimes you do, but with this vehicle there's a lot of space to maneuver and even turn the wheelchair around, so this is limited in terms of the marks that are left on the vehicle. It is very, very tidy. We do a lot of these vehicles and we're happy to show you around and show you how they work and give you a full demonstration. We do a £99 delivery service nationwide, and it does come with a 3-month RAC warranty, which you can choose to extend to 12 or 24 months. So if you'd like any more information on this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch.